Hello traders, I'm Rahul from Justmart Trade, and few many days later I came here on the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze some few stocks of money controls suggested to us for the Diwali to Diwali offers. These will be stocks we will analyze by the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo trading system. First, before going to tell you further, this is this is my channel, just my Twitch. This channel is dedicated to the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, Jara Box, and Bollinger Band, and we are providing some my suggested stocks by the Ichimoku analysis. So, so, this is my discuss forum. This is Academy People's Forum. Okay. So after now, I'm going to hear. Some few stocks are given by the Ichimoku few stock given by the money controls, ICICI banks, State Bank, SDFC, Ashoka Island. So, I'm in the few stock in here. I'm not much lengthy of video. I will make here only 10 minutes around. So these stocks we will analyze on the weekly basis, weekly time frame. What will be scenario in the upcoming in this in these stocks. So, definitely you can analyze the stocks. So some big big players are suggested to us to buy this and buy this not. But we have to analyze further ourselves also. That's the main importance. So this is my stocks account, and hope you seen my thing, all these things. Uh, Screen. Since the bank. So ICICI Banks is about the card of the all the Ichimoku. Other Ichimoku components are in the positive, and the boxes are pyramid boxes are here, making higher high, making higher high. I'm suggesting you go for the ICICI Bank for here. And up second stocks is SBI stocks. SBI is second stocks. So SBI stocks is below the price, is below the clouds. Second future cloud is considered rate for the Ichimoku, for the SBI by the Ichimoku, and other components are the given the some sales signals are here. So I'm saying you right now do not enter here. You will get the entry much on the later. So hold wait till this till this starts. SDFC Bank, no SDFC only. Concentration निकाल. recording सांगते ते काढ आणि concentration लाव पहिलं. So SDFC stocks, yeah, SDFC stocks is weekly chart is a very strong chart. So definitely it will be reach the target. All components are in the positive. So for Ichimoku's prices above the clouds. Okay. Then Ashika Leyland, Ashika Leyland. Second chocolate with they said Ashok Leyland, but Ashok Leyland is a very prices are below the clouds. So do not enter right now. If it is a buy from here, it will be reach around maximum. It will be reach around the 90 to 90, 90 around, because here is a cloud is a big resistance here. So better you do not go for the buy right deep now. As per the Ichimoku, so I'm saying telling you to wait for the signal here. No, do not go for the buy right now. Ashok Lane. Then next one is the Larsen Turbo LNT. So let's start with the LNT. Here I was seeing LNT. Yeah, go the charts. Okay. Yeah, I can say about this chart. Your weekly chart is much of stronger. You can go for the buy here. All components are positive. It will be just really around here. My 1473. So what will be target they given? 90? Yeah, 1900. Here how much? For after 1473, it will be chances to the richer. Yeah, no problem. You can go for the buy. No problem. 1473, it will be reach around the few of this. Then after top target is the 1800. Yeah, you can go for this. Yeah. Then Mahindra financial. Yeah, Mahindra is chart so weak, so do not go for this buy. This chart is totally avoidable. Mahindra financials. Okay, they given the target, but maybe your stock will be there. Many of months, many of days, many of years you can stack because Ichimoku is the same thing totally year. So I'm telling you first which one? State Bank, SBI, and the next one is Mahindra Financial will be avoidable. The Indian Hotels. Indian Hotels. Yeah, Indian Hotels chart is very stronger as per the Ichimoku and other components are in a positive. So I can suggest you go for the buy for here. Yeah, no problem. Aditya Birla Fashion Syndicate. ABFRL Fashion Retailers Limited, Aditya Birla. Yeah, this chart is also stronger. So the Adani Group, this company is a very good company also. So you go for this one, and whatever the target is suggested, you can hold it still. Colgate Palmolive, so Colgate Palmolive, Colpal. Yeah, Polpa is a very stronger chart. Price right now is the neutral zone. Trend is uptrend. Okay, so you can buy on the deep also, no problem. You definitely you reach the targets, and this target will be recommended to petrol to LNG. Yeah, petrol to LNG is very stronger chart, so you can go for the buy here. Yeah, definitely it's reach the targets on the here. 330. What the target again? Yeah, 336. Yeah, definitely reach 330. BP equities they suggested. Bajaj Finance chart 4,700. Yeah, very stronger charts. After the fleet also, yeah, maybe it will reach around the 6,000. But they given the 4,000 targets. Yeah, definitely reach the 4,000. 4,700 is 5,000. Definitely reach. ITC. ITC. ITC, I can say. Yeah, do not go for the ITC right now because it's some red cloud here in the features and all the components are the negative zone. So do not go for the ITC right now. Umber Enterprise, Bandhan Banks, and Spice Edge. Spice Edge is will you get a more much downside. Means, it's uptrend, but you get the price is neutral right now. It's a blue candle, my as per my setup. So you get the more little bit much more discount. After you can go for the buy for here. Maybe you pay, here the support is a 99, 99 rupees support. So you can next candle you can buy. But if it is a low below that you avoid the stocks. Okay, for this Spice It, Bandhan Banks. 32. 32 च्या पुढे तुला किती काम करायला लागतील किती झाले ते मग Bandhan Bank is a very good stock you can buy here. It's a breakout also here as per the weekly chart. Here the if I draw here some green line, it will be referring to go buy. It's a red cloud, but its chart is not completed till now totally, so therefore it's not came here the green cloud, but definitely it will come. And all the components are the in the positive as per the Ichimoku. Okay, so Amber Enterprise, which one is company? Yeah, Amber Enterprise is also good pick. So it's all prices are about the clouds. After the 1,000 rupees, it will give the good breakouts. So the charts. So definitely go for the Amber. So in this in the list of the money control, I'm suggesting only you avoid for the state banks and mind the financials, I think. Yeah. And second one is third one is ITC. Quickly, I am saying you to avoid this three stocks in his list. So I'm going to wind up here my stocks my here. So this is my charts. You can join here. Okay. So I'm providing link to you here. Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye. Happy Diwali to you.